forgot to start. I forgot to hit live on YouTube. Oops. Oops. Okay, we're good now. That's why I was like, sorry, I'm here. I'm here. I forgot to hit the go live button on YouTube. It's okay. Now that I'm doing multi-streaming, it's like too much responsibility. But I'm here now. How's everyone doing? How goes our Fridays? Like I said on Twitch, thank you to everyone who came last streaming session where I played Prim. That was a pretty cool game, perfect for Halloween. So, yeah, so that was fun. But today we're getting back into game dev. So let's have a nice productive session today. I did write chaotic because Beard or Die requested that I have a more chaotic session. So I don't know what that entails. But I have a lot to catch up on. I have a lot to update regarding like my Trello board and just, you know, feel like I haven't been very, very productive lately. So today is hopefully my little catch-up session. Sounds good. How's everyone doing? How's your Fridays? How are our projects doing? And hey John, hey Axel, hey Beard or Die, hey Michael. What's up, what's up? Zippy Zach, thank you for joining. Good to always see you guys. Since I quit my job, I haven't really missed my like actual work stuff, which is surprising. Maybe I just have like a lot of stuff going on in the present, so I don't reminisce too much, but I don't miss web dev at all. Oops. Also, my cat was here before, but he's sitting here now. Got some snacks, got some leftover got some leftover Halloween candies. Pop that. Got some Skittles. I should have been checking Twitch, thought there was going to be nothing over there as usual. Okay, I have a plan for Twitch. I'm gonna actually set up my channel there properly, put some, you know, whatever that info that people usually put down, and actually have a streaming schedule. So we'll see. But for now, I've been buried over at Twitch. But it looks like a lot of the game devs do pretty well there, so maybe someday. Or maybe I need a new personality, right? Okay. Asperez, hey! Welcome! Woohoo! Do you keep up with Samyam or any other YouTube game dev peeps you've worked with? Sort of. I mean, I haven't talked to Sam in a while, but we do like message here and there sometimes. I haven't really been, like, I used to be part of the Unity influencer program, but I kind of like didn't keep up with it, which is not good. So I think I lost some connections there, but I do try to, like, if there's any other YouTubers that reach out or vice versa, I do try to stick around. Like, I'm always open to that. All right, we got our cozy tunes. Unless you want more chaotic tunes, I don't know. So we're gonna hop into some game dev. I want to see some productive people over here. Let's work on our games. I really need to pick up the slack. So I'll start with organizing my Trello board today. And then I've been working on some of the systems for my game, just refactoring, etc. Axel, our mod, was so kind enough to help me make an editor tool for some of the stuff, for like some of the grid stuff that I've been working on. So I've been kind of hooking that up into my movement and stuff, so thank you. I can't wait for the point that we have actually like more game devs on this island. Ooh, what island are we talking about? It's always nice to have like a community of people that share the same passions. Even if you're not working on the same project, it's still nice to just chat with people. Like last week, I went to a game dev meetup, and it's an event where they usually have a speaker and then you talk, grab a drink. I had some tacos. It was good. Barbados. Oh yeah, that's right. Very cool. I do hope you meet more. Oh, Chitori on Twitch. Hey, welcome. Ayo. Welcome, welcome. All right, I'm switching. Let's do some Unity. Oh, I always hit the wrong one. Okay, it's there now. All right. I guess I can show off the, you love editor tools? Yeah, it's like super handy, and I haven't really done that before, which is why I didn't really make the connection to actually make something like that for my grid system. Because the way I was doing it, it was very tedious. It was just an extension of my Game Jam version. And then I knew I had to refactor it because it was getting out of hand. And I also wanted to extend my grids further. So while I was slacking, Axel actually tried something out. So it worked out. So I'm very grateful. It's a little editor tool where you can put in your points and then you can actually like connect in your scene. And behind the scenes where you have the code, it's just making a reference to like what node it goes to next. So if you press down, it should go to this node. So it has a reference to that node. And then left would be here, etc., etc. So it's been really good. And that way I don't need like a full-on grid system. And it's very customizable because we have hand-drawn graphics. So perfect. Tacos make any social interaction worth it. I know, right? That's how you tempt me to go to those events. And then obviously I appreciate all the people I meet and hearing about people's experiences and like the speakers. So it's been good. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, the tacos. I'm sure my fellow introverts can relate to that. Social interaction by itself, I don't know about that. All right. I have a friend from Jamaica who constantly trying to talk me into visiting Barbados. Oh, I see. I'm trying to understand a functional collisions library. Vertices, so many vertices. Oh boy. What are you trying to make? Or are you working on your own engine? Is that it? What are you up to there with all the vertices? Alright. So basically I've been changing all my scenes and my levels. I missed out if there were tacos. There were no tacos on stream. Lucky for you. I was just talking about an event I went to last week. A game dev event. And it was at a taco place. So Temptation. Alright, so basically I've been working on replacing all my current levels with the new system, making sure the movement works, and oh yes, I also, so I used to manually put like the visual for the chomper and like the cracks, but I made it just instantiate a prefab instead. So that just makes it cleaner. The thing is, I might have to like, I don't think this is right either. The thing is, it's hard to see like at a glance, obviously, but I also might need some specific parameters for customizing scale and stuff, since I'm just instantiating it. So all right. All right. Like I said, I'll organize my Trello board so I actually have a good vision of what I need to do. I'm also going on vacation in like 2-ish weeks, so I want to do a lot before I leave. And it would be good to have a clear idea of what that is. Yes. Okay. Oopsies. Was it just a build? An old build? Just want to make sure everything's referenced. I probably should have taken a picture of some of my old levels before I have been making copies of them, but sometimes I forget. So this one's second step, this is third step. So go like that. Oops. It's fine. This one. Oh my gosh. Cool. Alrighty. Love 2D. Oh yes, I think you mentioned that last time. Cool. Kushal. Hey, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Instantiating each or using object pooling? Right now I'm just instantiating each. Once we make bigger grids, I think we might have to do something else. Maybe that's a consideration I should make. All this taco talk is getting me hungry for some Taco Bell. I know, right? I'm kind of feeling it now too. Level editor is looking snazzy. It is. Axel did a very good job. Thank you. Yeah. We got some nice fire. I don't know if I showed this last time. A little fire effect or fire drawing. Laura did make, well, I did ask her if she can kind of animate this. I don't know where to use it. Technically you would use it in a transition or like, you know, loading screen. But do I really have loading screen? Or do I need loading screens? Maybe not. Okay. Anyways, I was doing that. As you can see, a lot nicer, less cluttered with useless points and garbage and whatnot. So definitely need to what do you call it? Put it in my head that editor tools do exist and I can make my own, and that should be a possibility when I continue developing. Because just making a line, it basically fills in the 4 spots for the references. So it's like, takes away so much manual work. So that's amazing. Yeah, so prop stack. So Unity is pretty solid. Everything is bundled. I like to use tiled and tile setter. Oh. Loading screen, yeah. Maybe a save logo. Yeah, exactly. Maybe just at the bottom somewhere? I don't know. Like, it would look really nice on a dark screen. Because right now it's white. I think she did make me a black version as well. It's here. Yeah. Very cute. But we'll see. We'll see if we're going to do that today. Probably not, because I have a million other things to do. So I think I replaced most of these. Looking pretty good. Yeah, so streaming. Yeah, so I'll update my Trello board, see what's happening. What are you guys up to today? Working on your projects? Laura's so talented and amazing. I know. Like, I'm very, very, very lucky to be working with her. Yeah, the white one? For sure. Alright. Ooh, I actually finished this. I did apply to a puzzle grant. So, finally done. I think I did this too. So, pretty good. What does that mean? Alright. Oh my gosh. Okay. I need to clear my head and just actually figure out what I'm gonna do. So I think I need to probably polish up. Oh yeah, these ones. Kind of need to finish up these ones, and then there's also gotta double check if the dialogue is still good. I was kind of working on that. Oh yeah, Axel, that thing I was telling you about. I think it was because they were prefabs. Like, the points were prefabs that somehow like interfered with like creating the paths. It would reset for some reason. But after I unpacked them, it was fine, it seemed. So, oh well. Looking at plane tickets and looking at my bank account. Oh no. Don't worry. Gotta find them deals. I'm gonna be doing a full run-through test of my part 1 of my game, so I can hopefully get to part 2. Ooh, sweet. Remind me what you were working on again? Pringles are too close by, so now I need them. The thing with Pringles is that it's way too addicting. Have a taco, it'll cheer you up. Exactly. Tacos. Just a bundle of happiness. How's your cousin Felicia? Can't believe you guys still remember that. It's been like 2 years. Yeah, he's been good. He's like, you know, he's in his teenage era. So, just moody and just a funny guy. Hi, Twitch chat just came in to say I approve the above message. Yes. Oh yeah, the educational material. Very cool. So I guess I'll go through and polish up these last couple levels. Oh yes, the camera panning, I need to kind of link it up again as well since we changed our grid stuff. So for example, pretty sure this works. Oh yeah, we're good, we're good. That's supposed to... I feel like the game is kind of too close sometimes, the zoom levels. Okay, so hop on over. I think we need a new background. Oh, I am also, for my trip in 2 weeks, I am going to Europe, but my solo portion is going to be Greece, which should be fun. And I'm hoping to learn a lot and just see, you know, tour around, take in all those views. Put in a... Oh, I don't want the jellyfish. I just need to cleanse my eye palette. Let's see. Kitty? Is that a cat or a tiger? Giant cat paw. Don't mind if I do. Have you heard of Eris, goddess of strife, conflict, and confusion? Ooh. I have not, but that sounds very cool. Like, obviously I have, like, the first couple gods and goddesses planned out, but I'm really curious to learn more about what other characters I can add. So this is cool. Might have to note that down. Alright, I got nothing. Might have to just do this. I don't like it. Come on. Just some views, maybe. I don't know. Whatever. That shall do. Alright. Obviously, get rid of these. I don't think... I might have to tell her exactly what badge art I need. So... I don't know what I meant by this. Post, move... event trigger... Oh! Just gonna delete that. Not quite sure. Well, I kind of know what I meant, but... I don't think that's an issue right now. Okay. Kind of did that as well. Or... it's kind of done as well. Okay. Alright, so today we're going to... there's that vine stickle, but I want to rethink that. By that, I mean... let's see. It was something like this. I think I have a prefab. Do I? Yeah. Something like this. Blocking the path. Oops. I don't know if I love it. Also, this is not final art, so... there's some considerations to make. Okay. Dialogue was fine. Okay, today we're gonna work on making the camera work again. So camera, panning to new part, new area in level. Okay. So I need to rethink this because you get the scissors in level or on level 7. So just after level 7. Every year, my students have to make a game and it has to be culturally relevant. Ooh. Unfortunately, we don't have any gods or anything, so they always rely on the monster myths. Oh, I see. Yeah. I mean, even though you don't have gods, or it's not as, like, grand as the ancient Greeks or the ancient Egyptians, monsters are cool too. I'm sure there's still a lot of depth to the stories that you have. Have you tried building ever since I gave you that script? Yeah, I think I did. I will try again. But I'm pretty sure I did it like last week. If I ever finish this game, I like how I said if. When I finish this game and when I finish Foxglove, I do want to make something like culturally related to like my culture as well. Because we have a lot of stories and there's like the I did make a game jam version. Let me see if I can find it. This one. I made this with my sister for Ludum Dare a couple years ago. We don't have gods or goddesses either, but we have like all sorts of stories and devils and stuff. So we got these masks and stuff. So I would love to make something to do with that. I think it could be cool. Traditional... what do you call it? Stories? Yeah, there's like a lot of... yeah, folklore. Right. Folklore. So this will be on my future game list. It's a lot of interesting stuff. But you like the art there? Thank you. That's my sister's doing. I like it because it almost looks like paper. Even when we animated it, it's very paper-esque. Like all the texture. You can always hire some gods off the local job center. Exactly. Hello. Welcome, welcome. Malo Jagger. Good to see you. I'm always happy to see new people on Twitch. What is your culture? Just my Sri Lankan culture. So yeah, maybe someday. I mean, it's nice to always see like other people's cultures put into their projects and their games. So yeah. Anyways, let's not get distracted here. Sri Lankan game coming 2026. Oh my gosh. No, I need to focus on these 2 games for now. No dreaming allowed. Okay. Okay, let me just finish these because I don't think it'll take that long. Let's do the camera panning. Yeah, let's do the camera panning first. Oh, we can start by doing that here. Basic. What? What the heck? Where did the rest of my level go? Unless I accidentally deleted stuff. What? What? Oh. Well, okay, whatever. Whatever. Let me just take this over. Basically, I need to end up here. So basically, when you land here, I wanted to automatically go to this point. I think I programmed that, so I might need to just make sure. Yeah, so I have a go to next grid point. So let's see. Same with this one. This one would go to this one. So it needs a reference point and it needs which camera to switch to. Yeah. Exactly. That's why 2026. Sophia, early 2025. Foxglove, late. Oh my god. Foxglove, late 2025. I'm scared. I have a lot of like redesigning to do for Foxglove. I need to make it more compact, like the investigation portion. But there's definitely potential. I just need to figure that out. The hardest part of game making is making the game fun. Crazy. Can you put an elephant riding in it just for me? Yeah, for sure we're gonna have elephants. 100%. It's like a big... They're one of the most popular animals there. My sister did finish her master's earlier this year, and I think her topic was parades. So she had like a focus on elephants for that as well. It's very interesting because they used to use elephants for trading. Like they even traded an elephant with the president, like some specific president, or like gifted an elephant, but it was like actually stuff happening to cover up other deals and stuff. So it was like something sketchy happening, but they used to do stuff like that. Hey Blue Pin, what's up? What's up? What's up? Foxglove. Or as someone said it to me, it was the fox emoji and then G and then a heart. So, different variations. Elephants are one of my favorite animals. My grandma used to have little statues of them all over the house. Yeah, elephants are very, very graceful and smart. Love them. Love them, love them. Okay, so yeah, let's do some camera panning. Since Axel said I will do a build later on, just to make sure. Pretty sure I did build it though. Check a build. But I want to do more stuff today, but we'll see. Okay. Don't want to be too overloaded though. Okay. I'm pretty sure my save system is a bit wonky as well, but that's for future me. It was working, but then... yeah, maybe it might still be working. Alright. So... go to next grid point, huh? Go to next. Okay. It's empty for now. So... I think... we put a new script with some details, or yeah, let's do a new script, I think. Sometimes I'm like, am I spreading it out too much? But I think it might be fine. There's my 1,000,001 scripts. Okay. I guess it would go under movements. Oh shoot. Whoop-de-doo. Alright. Go to next. Too bad it's the wrong IDE. Oh no! Yeah, you told me to download Rider. Forgot. Go to next grid point. Alright. So, let's do a private. So I basically want the player to automatically move to the next point. So I guess we can do a level point, or it could probably be a game object. But level point, yeah, let's stick to level point. And then let's get that camera. Virtual camera. Grid. Wait, I gotta think this through because I really suck at not writing private. Oh yeah. Wait, I'm trying to think because this needs to go to the next grid point, and then coming back, it also needs to go to the next grid point. What makes sense here? Unless we just don't make it go automatically. Yeah, it shouldn't go automatically. You should be on this. You should be here, here, and then if you press left again, if you click left again, then it should change the grid. So basically, if you're on that grid point, make sure the camera is switched. Okay, so we're gonna have to change stuff. Something. So if you're on this, so let's get rid of that. Okay, so we're not going to do the automatic. And we hope for the best. Show new grid area. Or change area camera. Yeah, sure. You guys don't like me writing private? Oh yeah, I didn't even need that. Grid area camera. So let's do that. All right. Yeah, basically I just need to switch the camera when it's on the spot. So we'll do that. And then we'll call this something else. Switch area. Yeah. I guess that's just an indicator for us then. If you guys have music requests or anything, we can do that. Well, today is the chaotic game dev stream, so maybe we need to cause as much chaos as possible. Lock this man up. Exactly. Alright, so we'll do a switch, and then we'll add the change area cam. Remind me to delete some of this-ish. One of my favorite games on the Xbox. Okay, let's do it. If I get copyrighted, it ain't me.
Centuries wants to ask, are you
what did I just open?
Without business insurance? Imagine.
Where the heck did that open?
It could cost me everything.
If my equipment's stolen, I could lose a lot of money.
Get protection. Join over 300,000 enlightened customers and buy a low-cost policy.
Where did that even open?
Centuries, mind your business.
Mind your business. Where'd it go? I literally just clicked the
Let me show you on the screen. This is a great horned owlet, but I'm too far away from the subject.
I don't know where it
As a
went.
wildlife photographer, this happens quite often.
Oh. What? Why did it open in here? I didn't even know that was possible. Interesting. Sorry, it had some ads, but it opened in OBS for some reason, the link. Can you hear it now? That was so weird. I didn't know that was possible. It's too quiet. All right. What is happening? All right. No, we're all good. We're all good. Let's get this thing to work. So if you land here, switch camera, change area camera. Heck, I guess it would be somewhere here. Should we give it a try? Well, it's gotta do something first. Hold on. Change camera view. So at the point, get to change the area camera script. So next point, temp.get component, change area camera. Then, oh no, it needs to be public, eh? Or let's just make a script in here to do it. Public, change camera. No, change. That should work, right? Change. Okay. Should work. Just make sure we set everything. That Canadian A. Oh, did I say that? The music could be for 15% louder. All right, let me do it. Let me do it. Is it because I opened an OBS that is quieter? Just go to properties. Okay. Bear with me. How's that? You reminded me that I have to update my progression. I made an account on Codex, but damn, so many things to remember. Oh, have to take an entire day just to figure out how to organize my things. Yeah. Yeah, organization, like I haven't been on top of my Trello board in a while. Sometimes you just want to do stuff, but then there's so much to do. So you kind of are just hopping around everywhere. Not great. Okay, switch area cam, and then we'll go to grid camera 2. And then we kind of have to do the same thing here, but let's see if it works first. Oops.
This caused more arguments than any product we've
Not
ever
the
made.
ads. Okay, we gotta
Last year,
open
we
this
launched
somewhere
our
else.
first ever
Let me grab that link. Need to put my premium to use. I forgot what track we were on. Was it this one? Timberdale Night? It's even more quiet. Oh no. Did we already listen to this? It sounds like dubstep. I thought it was gameplay. Also, hey! Kevin, welcome to the stream. Do you know someone younger who can help you with the computer? Please. Too much roasting. This track is for when you're battling a big sumo guy. Clearly. Alright, something happened. Oh, well, we technically needed... There we go. Beautiful. This one's not working when I go back. Probably because I need to disable it, right? Oop. Enable. Great. Hello, haven't been here since the game jam. How did it go, by the way? Oh, the Ludum Dare one? Yeah, it went good. I worked with Axel, and we made a Metroidvania. Or was that a different game jam that you're talking about? I don't even know. I have no sense of time anymore. Okay, how should I do this? I need to disable the other cameras. I mean, I could just tag them all. But I tag them as virtual cameras. The decisions I make. I don't understand. Yeah, we made this little game. I wasn't really happy with my art, but it did the job. It's called Tiny Companions. So you just hop around, explore. It's a Metroidvania, so lots of places to explore. And then you collect different little companions. Like a firefly, a beetle, and other ones that we didn't get to. And then I made like a really creepy ending, which didn't really make sense in the end, but it was still fun to work on. Yeah, so like lots of little enemies to attack. A Metroidvania is definitely ambitious, is what I think both of us realized for 3 days. But we made something and it was playable and we finished it. So that's always an accomplishment. Maybe I'll play a little bit of it. Let's see. I already know I'm gonna suck at my own game because I haven't played it in a while. Walker win. Sorry I'm late. I'm resting before my night shift. No worries. No such thing as being late to a stream. Don't worry. I'm glad to see you here. Hobbyists. Nice. Okay. Can you hear the music? I can't even call myself a hobbyist anymore because oops, that's not it. Because I'm technically supposed to be doing game dev full time, even though I find other endeavors. Axel said he's not happy with his programming, but I think he did a really good job. And he made all the systems so that it was easy to add anything new, etc. So like here you can't get past it. So it's like, So like a lot of places to explore. And we did a room-based transition. Yeah, some people kind of, well, some people meaning Victor, and probably other people, complained about the movement being a little too restricting. I'm not sure why the pixels are... Ooh. So technically you can't go past here because it's super duper dark, right? So that kind of blocks your way as well. Oh no, yeah, we kind of soft locked ourselves here. So keep going. Also, if you guys have any games that you want me to play right now, do that too. Even though I haven't really done any proper work yet. Whee! Who dis? You got the Firefly. It can help you traverse areas by lighting up torches and stunning enemies. So, what you can do is press this guy, and you can... We probably should have made it a little bit more juicier, but you can stun. The attacks also need a little bit of juice, but like we had a million things to do. So if you go this way... Oh no, locked. So it was really fun for me. So you can't go up this way. It was fun for me because I never made like a map this big. Even though it's a little bit empty looking. It was still fun to make like all these different areas. So I did the art, Axel did all the programming, and then together we kind of did the level design. In Unity, and we used Unity's, what's it called? Unity's version control, Collaborate, which was... I don't know what to say. It was interesting. So, light up different areas. We really should have been more clear here because some people might think you need to, you know, travel with your little Firefly buddy, but what you actually need to do is light up these torches so that the area gets lit up. So, you know, everyone runs into issues like that where it's hard to explain through the game what you need to do, right? So there's our next guy, but we need to figure all this stuff out first. Anyways, if you want to play it, you can play it yourself, but there's not too... Oh! Yeah. What's it called? Yeah, so there's like different areas like this. Once you get the beetle, there's some cool stuff that you can do with the beetle as well. And we were supposed to have a spider or a caterpillar, but that didn't happen because we ran out of time, so we had to cut down. But it's a fun little Metroidvania, I hope. Yeah. Anyways. Let me know if you guys have any games that let me know if you guys have any Game Jam games that you want me to play today. or anything. So, oh no, some of Victor's roasting. Let's see. Let's hear it. 3 fonts on the title screen. Bold move. Don't worry about it. The camera is horrendous. It jitters all the assets. I'm not sure why that happened. We did notice it during development. It wasn't as apparent, I don't think, while we were doing it in Unity. So I'm not sure if it was the web build and whatnot. So yeah. It was very ambitious for 3 days. I'll say that. Didn't know you can control that thing. I went down there with my Firefly and quit after getting owned. Yeah. Like I said, we should have like been more clear about what you need to do, give some hints, especially for a game jam version where you don't really have time to let them figure it out themselves. So there's some basis of a game here, and it's playable, but challenging. Because pixel rounding the camera? Oh. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think we did try to tackle it at some point. Maybe we gave up. Can you get a link to it in the Discord? Sure. Well, Axel, do you want to drop that in the Discord? I don't know if you already did. Perhaps. All right. Okay, back to work, back to work. Let's do it. I mean, what I could do is just find all the grid cameras and disable them, or keep a reference to the last used camera. What's better to do? Maybe keep a reference to the camera. In the game manager, maybe? Kind of don't want to, but I mean, there's probably not that many cameras, so add it to my collection for later. Cool. Sounds good. Yeah, I mean, it's not the most polished game or anything, but for me, it was like I wanted to make a Metroidvania because I never made one before. I'm also not a huge fan of Metroidvanias, but I did start. Well, I had Hollow Knight for a while, but I was actually playing it those days. So I felt kind of inspired to try to make one. And then it was like a last minute thing for me and Axel where I didn't force him, but I was like, do you want to just do Ludum Dare? And then since we're both Unity developers, it worked Worked out. So definitely a little bit of teamwork, which is always nice. Disable. Do I want to do this? Okay, we're just gonna do it in the game manager. Excuse me. She didn't force me. Yeah. Okay. Wish I could have joined you too. I feel like I did so much and didn't finish my game. You did. Yours was pretty ambitious too, and you were working by yourself, so that was impressive. Um, I know we wouldn't have worked on a web game, but if you wanted to learn Unity, we could have done that. Learned a lot and still had fun. That's the best part about game jams, to be honest. Like even if you don't finish, which has happened to me before, there was one time I did GMTK with my sister and she basically ditched me halfway through, so I couldn't finish. That one got me down for sure because that was the first time I didn't submit something. But after I made a devlog for that one. After I finished the devlog, I was like, I actually learned a lot and did a lot even if I didn't submit. So worked out in the end. And I spent some time actually finishing the game afterwards, so I felt good. Pratam, hey, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. It's in October, right? I always miss it every year. Ludum Dare, is that what you're talking about? Ludum Dare happens, I think, twice a year. So, you get 2 chances. So I think it happens in April and it happens in, was it October or was it September? Time flies. Ditched you? Yeah. She doesn't watch my stream, so I can talk behind her back, right? Current. Is this a good idea? April, we'll try to join the next one. Yeah, you should do it. You should do it. Wait, Victor, did I do the one in April this year? Was that Rampage? Was that April? I did the music for one of our Ludum Dare entries before this. So I think I've done how many have I done now? This is the one I did with Victor or Bluepin Studios. Oh, I've only done 4, which is not bad. This was probably 3 years ago now. Yeah, Rampage. This was a year ago, so I guess last October. Woohoo! It's your age, it's hard to keep track. Come on. I got no concept of time. Or directions. The 2 things I'm bad at. Yeah, so I did these 2 with Bluepin, did the art on this one, did the music on this one. And this one I did solo. I was gonna attempt compo, but it didn't happen. But I think I scored okay for, like, it was very cute. But yeah. Okay, let's see if it works. Do I need to change anything? Okay, this took way longer than I probably should have because I keep getting distracted. No! Why? Because we didn't set it. Let's get our music back on. No more dubstep, please. I gotta redo all this UI stuff. Probably group it up a little bit better. Cool. That's what I'm talking about. I feel like these are too zoomed in. You guys have any opinions? The flower game. The flower one was fun. Oh, thanks. Definitely my favorite of yours. I liked the flower one. It felt like, when I was making it, it felt magical to me. So like, yeah, I like the vibe of this. Gameplay wise, it was very simple, which was fine for like a solo game, I think. Current grid camera was... Oh, you found it. Oh yeah, I got it. She is about 30% of the screen size. You could probably zoom out a bit more. Yeah. Especially for the dialogue scene, I guess. I'm not sure. Like, maybe this is fine. I mean, maybe it's fine. I can't wait to get, like, the cool vibes in this game. Like, this art is not even done yet. So like once you talk to him, it'll be like a whole cool thing. The flower game is what introduced me to you. Really? Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, wait, so you found me through Ludum Dare? Like, not through my YouTube channel? That's kind of interesting. I like Hatch, then Flower Whisper. Oh, yeah, I liked Hatch too. I feel like this was my goal for every game jam, just to learn something new, try something new. So Hatched was when I tried to do 2D art in a 3D space. So like I think every game I made I can pinpoint exactly what I was trying to do. Usually it's exploring a new genre. But yeah. Cool stuff. In my opinion, and it's a humble one, the text is too small for mobile users. Yes. I'm gonna have to test it on a regular screen. When I see it on my big screen, like if I play this maximized, it probably looks way too big. I don't like it that much. But then I did a build on the Steam Deck and I was like, okay, this is a good size. I'm gonna have to figure that out. Okay. Yeah, I'll figure out the text and the mobile and the different screen sizes. We'll do that soon. Someone just shared a game with me, The Misadventures of Phoebe Winterbottom. That's a long one for sure. Yeah. Ooh, I like this track. Dragon Reach. Let me search that up. It's up my alley. Let's see. It's $5 buckaroonies. It's pretty cheap. Ooh. Well, the art looks pretty cool. I hate that Steam... Like, why does it blur it out when it's this far? I know it's a resolution, but it irks me. It's like, I just want to see its nice quality. I don't remember when I subscribed or from where, but I'm glad I did. Aw, thank you. But maybe I'll share my game if I don't give up on it. For sure. Like, once you're ready to share something, send it my way. Even if it's just anyone who has a Steam page up, anything. Like, just let me know. I'm happy to check it out. Irrelevant. Hey, hey. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, we don't give up around here. You were defending monochrome games the other day? Oh, yeah. Well, you have a hate towards monochrome, right? They often need just one more color. You got red here. So is it approved? Approved by you? I really enjoyed Prim, though. For anyone who joined last stream, Prim was a black and white game. And that dev nailed it. There's so much variety in like, even though it was black and white, there was so much variety in how the art was done. The different shades, you know. Wait, Victor, do you approve this game? Even though it's black and white? I feel like they did a lot, though. Like, it's tastefully done. Also, there's that one part with the the donkey. Where are you? Here, this guy. Like, he used the colors in the gameplay too. So I found that interesting. If you see me playing Prim, I've been abducted by an alien. So rude. But it looks so good! Oh, here's the dev. So fun. I wonder how, like, how do these watch the dev play things work? Do you just set it up yourself? Did you finish the game, Prim? I didn't finish it. I didn't play it since the stream. I'm not sure how many hours I had on it. It was just the 2 hours, I think, that I played. Yeah, there's a card game here. This game also looks interesting, too. I think I clicked on it last time. I am intrigued. I am intrigued. Yeah, the only thing with Prim was it's a bit pricey. I mean, I'm happy to support devs, so I'll get it, but I didn't expect it to be that pricey. But it's good. It's good that, like, indie... I mean, is it good? We're allowed to price it that high. The assets look so well made, but I think they accidentally forgot how to color them. I mean, this is by a solo developer, so... And I'm not even complaining about the colors, so... I can respect the choice. Games with publishers have to be pricey because... Oh yeah, that's right. Application system. Is that their first? Oh. Cool. Oh, Luna. I didn't get to play this, but they published Luna, I guess? 2 publishers. This game looks really cool, too. So probably like 17K for the dev so far. Oh yeah, it's quite a big cut. Yeah, it's about 1 weekend. Very cool though. I'm pretty sure this is their first game as well. So. Very cool. Okay, I keep getting distracted. I write 1 line of code and then I get distracted. Shake my head. Okay. Also, I gotta stop talking too much. Okay. So camera system works. Okay, very nice. We're almost at the 2-hour point, I think. Okay. Sure, allowed, but you can't expect everyone to buy it at that price. Yeah, exactly. You want to make it reasonable so that your target audience can, you know, willingly pay for it. And, well, making it a reasonable price also opens up your audience as well. Like, it makes it more accessible to more people, which is always good. All right, I guess we're done that. Distractions are the bane of my existence. I feel ya. It's an interesting track. Ooh, Haunted Mansion. Well, Halloween's done, sadly. It's Christmas time now. Gotta bust out the Mariah Carey. $0. Maximum accessibility king over here. Yeah, that's you, Victor. Which is good. Like, more people get the chance to play your games. Does the job. I like this track. Ah, sometimes. I love a good spooky track. I have the attention span of a moth. Literally. All right, that was a bop. Man, I need more variety in snacks. Finish my Skittles. Starburst here. I guess I need to figure out what Laura should work on next, too. Or, I mean, I'm sure I have some stuff. I need to prioritize it. How long have you been working on this game? Hello, Cinny. Welcome to the stream. How long have I been working on this game? It's been a couple months. Actually not sure exactly what month I started this. It's probably sometime in the summer for sure. But we still have a lot of art incoming as well. But we got some cool levels here if you'd like to see. Some of these. And a forest level, which is cool. So yeah, it's been a couple months, but I haven't been on top of it, I must say. My main game is Detective Foxglove, though, which I will be back to soon. Maybe not soon, but I will be back to. When can I buy it? Oh my gosh. Aiming for a March release, so let's hope for the best. Right now? No way. No way. Alright, what are we working on next? Let's see. Ooh, I really want her to draw the merchant, just so we can see. Because the merchant has like a bold personality here. He's doesn't have a filter, kind of. So I want to see her interpretation of him visually. Don't listen to Blue Pin. No, I'll release in March. Crossing my fingers. You want to guess the price? Ooh. You're gonna send me a random amount? Kind of scary to think. Like, how much would you pay for this? Alright, on to the next. $9.99 and $7.99. Those are pretty good guesses. I haven't really decided, but it was going to be between $8 and $12 Canadian. So pretty good guess there. USD? Maybe. $15? Oh my god. This one, yeah, I said 8 and 12 Canadian dollars. This guy right here might have a heavier price point. Definitely not free. This one might be like 20 US. 15 to 20 US. Do you have any release games? Mostly just game jam games. What's my itch? Oh, yeah. These are mostly game jam games. They're very short, unpolished. This was a mobile game which I released on the Play Store. So I guess that's technically my only official release. This game we made in 3 hours, which was crazy. Me and my sister and a musician. My other sister. 20 USD, sheesh. I said 15 to 20. Yeah. And since you're new, Sini, we also do an annual game jam. Ta-da! Community game jam. If you're interested. It happens in August, though. And no worries, not a distraction. Happy to chat. And I'm happy to hear about what you are working on, or if you have some releases. That would be cool. Itch equals released, in my opinion. I don't know. Because for me, it's like making a game jam game. Oh, the game that I'm making right now is based on my game jam game from last year. For me, releasing a game is way different from packing up, like, wrapping up a game jam game. Or maybe it's just the perfectionism kicking in. Manisha seeks distraction, I know. I can't help it. Yeah. I think it's subjective if you think you release stuff. For me, it's like, okay, I have some kind of portfolio here. If you want to see that I'm capable of somewhat making a game. But these official releases are what I want kind of tied to my name or my professional persona. That's how I think of it. Yep. Oh my gosh, I was checking like the Blackthorn Prod collab that I did last year. And that video has over like 1.5 million views. I'm like, dang. I got a little bit of hate on that video, sadly. But that's because so many people watched it, I guess. But definitely had a little bit of a down period during that. I was just reminded because this one is what I did for the Ms. collab, which also got like a decent amount of views too. But I just remember the Blackthorn Prod one. The comments were insane on that video, the ones defending you. I can't even remember. I tried not to check too much. Like, I kind of know, like, I know I could have done better in that video. Or done more, maybe? I don't know. Maybe it's just relative. Like, you don't realize what it's gonna be like by the end. And you don't know what anyone else did. You don't know how many people worked on the game before that. So it's like, yep. But I still think I tried like my best, tried to experiment with some ideas. And I tried not to take the comments to heart too much. Especially the ones that say like, that talk about like me being a woman. I'm just like, okay, you guys are, that's a little too much if you're correlating it. Any comment that has to do with that. I felt like the brothers should have had more to prevent hate. Yeah, I guess they could have done more, but it's also like, if you get that many views, it's kind of hard to just monitor. Maybe they could have said something, but I also know like that's just how it goes. And it's interesting. It's good for me. I'm glad I had this experience because my community is so wholesome and like always nice, but it was interesting to see like me in a different community, how I'm viewed, kind of thing. Like they don't know anything about me. This is just a little droplet of what I can do. So I was like, interesting. Such a contrast, I guess. Stamp Crab. Hey. Welcome, welcome. Glad to see a bit of the stream. Yeah. Totally not distracted over here. I'm working. I try my best to undo the wholesomeness, keep you grounded. Yes, exactly. Like, you actually tell me straight up, like, you gave me feedback for our game jam game. Like, I appreciate those kind of things too. Because, like, anyone can say that the game's good. I'm kind of guilty of this too. It's just like, oh, it looks so good, or like, you did so good, because you don't want to hurt the people. But sometimes you gotta be straight up, right? So it's like, cool. I would have said that we only want to see more positive, constructive feedback. Yeah. Also, like, I know these people are just anonymously writing things. They probably don't even have that much game dev under their belt. So they're really just judging me based on, I don't know, some standard they have. But just to be nicer, even if you're, yeah, constructive. There's a way to say it, you know? What's on my to-do list for today? Is that for me? I think I had it on my Trello board. We were gonna do I did the camera panning, so that's pretty much done. I gotta set up the paths for level 7. That's my merchant work. I had to use the elder guy. But we will have a cool merchant. This is way too zoomed in. I gotta fix that. Obviously it needs a lot of polishing. Let's see if the overworld works. Cool. Yeah, we're still good. Just a lot of UI work to do as well. It's all functional. Just need to make it look nice, you know? And I gotta replay everything. Make sure it's good. Just a lot of UI work to do. I like it. It's giving me some spooky vibes. Oh yeah. Go to overworld, but I think we should still run to this point. Let's polish stuff. We'll leave it for later. It's November. It is. It's November 1st. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's time for Mariah Carey to come out of her cave. And Michael Bublé as well. Looking forward to March. Yeah, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I need to really buckle down because this is just like a little glimpse of the aesthetic even. Like the forest and the village. Because this is chapter 1, but chapter 2 is like actually going to Medusa's world. Like it's more like fantasy based. So chapter 1 happens, then there's a cutscene, and then you go to Medusa's world, you go to Zeus's world, you go to Hades' world. So I'm excited to work on those levels. I hate doing UI in Unity, need to try the UI toolkit. Yeah. I'm actually not really familiar how the UI toolkit really works. I also wanted to do some settings soon. We need to animate a lot of this though. All right. Okay, I think we need our cozy tunes back. Bop, 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 bop. It's more my vibe. Let's do some work. Let's clear some of this junk while we're at it. Ba-da-da. I need to speed up my workflow with Laura as well. She kind of wanted me to build it out like this. And then send her kind of a screenshot type of thing where she'll actually draw the path. It's kind of tedious as well. Maybe I'll just lay down the dots and then she can figure it out. Or just draw the path amongst the... Maybe. UI toolkit is supposed to be more like HTML, CSS. Oh yeah, that's what I did here. Alright, I'm taking out 3 more Pringles and then I gotta close the box. This is not a paid promotional video. Do I have to say that? All right. Are you guys playing any games these days? Anything fun? I want to pick something back up. On my Steam Deck, preferably. Stellar... What was it? Stellar... Oh, cool. Roguelike Tower Defense. Oh yeah, I did see you stream that a couple days ago, I think. Satisfactory. Ooh. Whoa. Base building automation, open world. That looks kind of crazy. How fun. Oh, it's new, huh? Last month? That's kind of crazy. Oh, it's been in early access? That makes sense. That makes sense. I play everything, but I'm looking for something new. Exactly, me too. I'm in that same boat. I'm not really into strategy games, but maybe I just haven't played enough or tried. You guys love Satisfactory, huh? What are some of your favorite games? Let me curate something for you. There you go. He's a game curator. Bluepin is offering his services. New Mario RPG next month? Is there? Oh snaps. What? Super Mario RPG? Oh yeah. That's exciting. Is it this one? Brothership? Oh, the Mario and Luigi. How fun. Oh, Factorio? It's based on Factorio? That's interesting. Okay, some 3D art. Or like a more stylized version. Is that how it looks? Is that how it's gonna look? Interesting. It's like the toon shading. hammers. Mario has a brother? Come on. Oh, come on. Too funny. All right. Don't mind Bluepin. He can be a little bit blunt. Okay. I feel like I haven't been making progress, so let's put these levels together. Reference. This music kind of makes me want to sleep. Lovely. Okay. This is a crack point. This is a chomper. Crack. Crack, crack, crack. Yeah, we might need the hype music back, unfortunately. Or maybe I just need some more light in my room. Let me turn this thing on. Any good? I couldn't get into Factorio, but love Satisfactory. What are you talking about? What's going on here? I wish Steam had commission codes. That would be funny, wouldn't it? My most popular game is for the girlies, and know your preferences, scream girlies. Let's see my start point. End point. Hey, where's my ground crack? Really? Really, really, really? This is a vibe. Shake my head. Julio? Very nice. I need to give her like a fall animation. Whoa! Falling into the hole. Alright. Now I just need to have a script for instantiating the different items. That's probably what I'm gonna do next. Silly. Hat. Nice. I just spent 20 minutes trying to adjust a polygon mesh because I forgot angle 0 is X, not Y. Oh no, just a little mishap like that. That's like always annoying. Just one tiny thing can cause a mess. So fully grown and alright, we're bringing back some more chaotic music. They're all cute. Oh, the Pokemon one was pretty good, but it's still kind of chill, right? Love it. I'll find some new playlists for next stream. Next stream probably Tuesday? Yeah. Oh, I finally watched it yesterday. I never watched it for some reason. It was okay. I thought it would be like a little more scarier. It was kind of long too. There were some portions that I enjoyed. I'm just like 10 years too late to watching a movie. I think it's like 7 years ago. I gotta go. I'll be there next stream. Thanks for the good vibes. No problem. See you. Have a good night, probably. Why would you say that? It sounds like the one I listened to. Yeah, it's really good. There's also like there's the iconic Pokemon and Chill one, but then this one seems to be like a remix of a different one. Most likely. Craziness. All right. Wait, no. If I'm being honest, I don't really like these last couple levels that I made, so I might have to figure something or redo. Love this track. Funky, right? I'm not staying true to the title of this video today. Chaotic game dev stream. Or am I? Oh, I know what to do after this. Finish. I don't think I even built level 10 yet. Oh, I forgot. We were gonna play Halloween games yesterday, but I kind of got busy. Sorry about that. I think we were gonna try Dead by Daylight. We can probably do that sometime this week. Crazy, crazy. We need a looping video of Mudang. I know, right? Abandoned us to socialize with real people. Barely. I'm sorry. Well, now that that's reconstructed. Really need to be pumping out levels, TBH. I did draw a couple, I think. Mudang, Mudang! What a cutie pie. Eating knees and such. You guys watch Over the Garden Wall? That's cute. Where do they stream that show anyways? Or do you have to find it online somewhere? Woo! Man, I didn't do enough to deserve to be sleepy. We got some new followers today. Yay! On Twitch. I just gotta be more consistent, maybe. I see. Found it online, huh? Cool. I love the aesthetic of that show, but I never got to watch it myself. I would like to. Ooh. Da Elf, hey! What's up? Damn it, found a bug in my game. That's the worst. That's the worst. Time to investigate. Oh, I don't like how zoomed in it is. It's because it's maximized. I don't know what to do. Cool. I am satisfied with the camera panning. I have to zoom it out a little bit more. Oops, logged in on the wrong account. Oh, I see, I see. You love bugs? Okay. Ugh. I really don't like my line thing, but I should probably do that now. So. Oh, speaking of bugs, I painted my first pottery piece. Let me show it off. Just for more distractions. Ta-da! There's a ladybug somewhere. Yay! Oh, sorry. That's my first piece, my first painted piece. I'm using it as a cat water bowl. Pretty cool. I mean, I don't love some of the colors that I used. Also, I didn't paint it properly. It's a little bit patchy. But I guess you can't really tell. It's my first pottery piece, and then I'll see how the other two come out tomorrow. I made like something with a toadstool. So, should be nice too. Yep. There's something missing in this game. I'm not sure what it is yet. Maybe it's just too simple. Let's see. What's going on here? I love game dev, but sometimes I just have these points where I'm like, what am I even making? But I'm pretty sure that's normal. What can you do? Just gotta work through those feelings. Sometimes. What's Gucci, everyone? Hey, Zaniac Games. Good to see you back. What is the scope and estimated release schedule for this? I'm aiming for a March release, like early March. The scope is like at least 50 levels. 50 might even be like not. It kind of depends how big the levels are, but 50 like good sized levels. And then there's like these in-between levels which have dialogue and such. Sometimes it links like random. What? It broke? Yeah, sometimes it links these random lines. I'm not sure why. What are the 20 tags you will be using for the Steam page, and what is the word count of your description? Please. For this one, it's definitely puzzle. I think I copied like a lot of the Hitman tags. So puzzle, turn-based grid movement. I didn't put strategy in. I don't think I should. And then a little bit of adventure. And what else? Was it cute? Something. March. Yeah, hype. Sounds reasonable. How many levels you got now? Kind of at 10. Kind of behind. I had to rework some of the old stuff, but so I haven't got to focus on level building yet. But I'm also kind of intimidated by the level building because each level needs to be very, very different and interesting, and the progression has to be good, so it kind of freaks me out a little bit. But I did brainstorm like what I need to do for the Medusa one. Kind of the progression for that one. So it looks like I mapped out 18 levels for her world, which is pretty good. Yeah, I'm excited just to see once we get all the Greek myth stuff actually in. I'm excited to see how things work. Or how things look, I mean. Because right now we're very tame with the village and the forest levels. And these are just blockouts for now. Yeah, exactly. That's why I'm so happy we have the new path system, and then instantiating things makes it easier too. So it's like just trying to make that process a lot easier. Okay, for some reason the movement stopped working. Look at this. Why? We don't like bugs. Why? Why? Hmm. Weird. She seems to be running, but not reaching her point. It's not good. It's really hard to debug. What? Okay, I have not seen something like that before. Not ideal. Something funky happening here, to be honest. Oh no, I haven't run into this kind of bug before. Tell me why. Whew. There's also something funky happening here because it's like trying to remap. Alright, so label that. Let's try a simple path. Hmm. Whew. Double check. What on earth? Yikes! How exciting, a new bug? This is not exciting. Something happened. Something in my code? This is the worst of the worst. Not starting on the start point, huh? Real quick. Reload Unity. Just to make sure it's not something weird that's concerning. I don't like it. Why do you do this to me, Unity? It's definitely something else going on, though. Underground. Something must have... What? Oh. Still being a bit odd. Something to do with the pivots, maybe? Happened. Oh, the rig that moved? How'd that happen? as heck. Weird. I must have accidentally moved the player like that. I'm not sure why it bugged out before though. I like the camera movements because it makes the world look bigger. Should have some dinner soon. I'll probably stream just for like 30 more minutes and then call it a day. I might be back to do some work later though. Man. So what's supposed to happen in this level is the elder, you talk to him, and technically his cart is blocking the path over there. As you can see, my little mock cart. And it's missing a wheel, so you have to go find the wheel just by exploring a little bit. Look here, there's no wheel. Or maybe I should make 2 missing wheels. And then you bring him back the wheel, you put it in, and then just continue on. But I'll make it more exciting. So a wheel and an axle? Like Axel or Mod? Just put him in the game. You're required to find Axel. It's like, instead of a donkey, it's Axel. Alright. Yeah, I'll probably make it 2 different components of the cart instead. Or maybe I could make it a donkey, because I saw the donkey in Prim. Maybe we can find the missing donkey. Or, you know, just add a little bit of spice into it. Just little side quests. Well, not really side quests, but quests that you must fulfill to continue. But I'm gonna have hidden areas and other side quests in there. Yes, there is a cat. It was just a test, but I'll make it look interesting. I wanted a pet the cat achievement on Steam, that's why. Obviously I'm gonna do that. Alright. My name is being used in vain. No, it's not. We want you to be part of the game. Especially since you helped out with it. Only there was an easier way for me to visualize things now. It'll still work. As long as it works, I tend not to question the logic behind it. I know, right? Just pretend you didn't see that bug that just happened 5 minutes ago. But really, though, I should probably... I know there are a couple things that I need to clean up, so that's probably part of it. Like, it was pointing me at the dialogue manager, so there might be some weird instances. That editor tool works so much better than the prefabs you were doing. I know, right? And I don't know, do you guys want to see like the I can expose it, but it basically just fills in the nodes for you when you do the line. And Axel was kind enough to help me out with that. Well, I was trying to brainstorm, like I knew I had to refactor the path codes because those were not it. But I couldn't figure out exactly like how to make it more efficient. I was gonna do what was I gonna do? I was gonna make like all the points and then maybe put it into like a on-screen editor of some sort. But like I didn't even think of the drag and drop kind of method, so it's nice to get new ideas like that from other people. I need to figure out a way to draw out levels for myself quickly. I mean, I guess this kind of works, but it's kind of hard for me to imagine where things should go. I've been kind of drawing them out on a notebook. I'm not sure. I don't know. Until it no longer works. Exactly. Ignore it until everything breaks and the game is unplayable, which is almost what happened. I don't know why my player decided to stop moving. I haven't tried any drag and drops for editor tools yet. I'm a novice in editor tools. Yeah, exactly. That's why, like, it didn't even occur to me, like, how I could make it more efficient there. So this was very, very nice. Because the alternative to an editor drag and drop tool would have just been to place the points and then make references and drag each node into the inspector, which obviously I didn't want to do that either, right? So this was cool. I was going to use it for some level select thing in the future potentially. I mean, I'd set this up really quickly. Yeah, and it's so nice. That's why I love having like a community and people to talk to. Everyone should have those types of people that just like put ideas into your head, like you could have done it this way or this way. Or even seeing like in our Discord, we usually pop in on the voice chat and stream our own games. So it's like nice to at least see other people and work on their stuff and how they do things. And hopefully someone gets like some advantage out of me streaming as well. Maybe you'll pick up a couple things or get some ideas. So it's always useful. And it also took me a long time to kind of come to the point where I would be comfortable streaming my development, because I didn't really... If I were to do this like 2 years ago, I would have been like, no, I'm scared of being judged by everybody and my code like showing up. And obviously I'm not the best coder out there, but just doing it is just a good time, and you get feedback, real-time feedback, and you're just sharing. So, no drawbacks in my eyes. Let's see. It's gonna be hard for... So what is this random lines? She confuses me. It's okay, we do judge your code, I know. But tastefully judging. That's fine by me. But nobody told me to change my... when I was doing all the grid points. Nobody was like, you need to sit down and refactor your grid code because it sucks. I needed someone to say that because it took me way too long to come to that point by myself. Where are we? Ay, ay, ay. I told you indirectly by fixing it myself. Nice. Yeah, I'm really grateful that you gave it a stab, because, like, I just told you like kind of my requirements for it and you figured it out. It's impressive. So we're gonna do a wheel and we're gonna do a donkey. Anywho. Back to this, I think. Oh man, I'm really craving tacos now that we mentioned it before. This is an endpoint, I guess. So hard to just visualize with points. All right. Yeah, eat some dinner, peeps. Betrayed my taco. You ordered a burrito. I mean, one burrito versus like, you know, three to five tacos. Tacos are sometimes a little bit expensive. I need like the fancy the text for when someone follows you and when someone subscribes. I need that stuff. I need to get on that. Just so I can say hello. Let's see. All right. Cool. Okay. I didn't do as much as I wanted to today, but I think next stream we'll focus on building out some new levels, but I need to figure out a good... It's mostly the Medusa ones, which I know what are going to be in it, but... No one sells tacos here. Gotta make them ourselves. I see. My sister makes like, she was doing taco nights, so we make the little tortillas, tiny taco shells. Why? Alright, I might have to call it on the stream. But let me make a list of things to do next time. Or like my next work session. Finish the Elder level 5.1. We're gonna make the 2 grid areas. And then the storytelling area that leads to the cutscene. Make this a little bit more fun. And we're gonna kind of make sure his dialogue works. Basically, you talk to him first. Yep. Alright. Bye, guys. Lots to do next stream. Next stream probably Tuesday. Yeah, that sounds about right. Okay. Have a good night. Enjoy your tacos. Bye.